All right, we're at the Cain Physics Building at Texas A&M University, and look at this right here. They literally just got new doors, but the elevator itself is still original Dover from 1984. I'm sure y'all remember this elevator was what featured in my intro outro videos, as you've seen some of them. Anyways, let's see if it works, because it was not working the whole time. Yep, it's working today. Let's see how this thing sounds. B. They also got a new buzzer. They also got a new beeper too. Look at that. These are EMS doors. It's a lot slower now. I think it's also got a new motor too. Four. Got someone going up. Going up?
Yes.
Going down.
Up. Yeah. I think you have to press close.
Yes, I did that. It's closing. It's closing.
You just get.
Oh, almost.
Yeah. I think we replaced this door. This is new.
Yeah, you do. So why did you replace the door?
I think it was maintenance. Or it's breakdown. I'm not sure. But they were fixing. They were renewing it.
This is a hydraulic elevator, so it's actually supporting. It's not a folding. So for people elevators, really, they change that. But it's slow. Yeah. Let's go.
Have a good day, y'all.
Thanks. Which one?
I'm not sure how busy this thing is, but look at that right here. Wonder why it makes a big jolt when going up. Thankfully, the fixtures are still original, but they obviously have redone the controllers. You can see right here. There's your phone. These originally had Corian doors, but they're now EMS. I'm gonna see if I can get try to get a silent ride without any interruption. But if that doesn't work, I'll be sure. I'm sure I can come back here next time. But yeah, I'm sure you guys remember this is the elevator that was featured on my intro. This is the exact elevator that was featured in my intro outro video each time I make a video within College Station or A&M. It's quite slow since last time. I wonder why. I'm gonna make sure no one calls up from a different floor. If it does, we're gonna end on one. All right. Full silent ride, here we go. Goodness, that door squeezed so loudly. Down to B, and it ended up at 1. Perfect, full, non-stop silent ride. and listening to the motor, or at least, although the fan is on, but still got to hear the motor over the fan. Notice that these are Adams replacement, while these are just regular traditional. All right, well, anyways, we're gonna go ahead and end the video on the first floor because the video's already been gone long, but man, is this slow. This has definitely got to be one of the slowest freight elevators that I have ever ridden. But all good things that these are still original. It's still original Dover. All right, we're gonna go ahead and close the door. There's also something I want to show you prior to ending the video. It's got EMS doors, but coincidentally, look what I have. I have my very own EMS elevator shirt that I got from the convention. So, with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and that'll be it.